How are you all? I know that my lovely students have started with their notes. And let's start a new day with a new chapter. I know, ma'am, let me complete the previous one first. Students, relax. You can take time. आप अपना टाइम टेबल बना लीजिए. डेली वन आवर मैथमेटिक्स पर वो कंप्लीट करेंगे तो आपकी प्रैक्टिस भी हो जाएगी and you will score very good marks. Okay, students? So, let's start. So, our chapter number 6 is factors and multiples. This video will be our part 1 video. Okay, students? Factors and multiples. Factors and multiples. Factors मतलब ऐसे नंबर जो किसी और के टेबल में जाते हैं. Understood? And multiples मतलब जो टेबल्स होते हैं ना हमारे, तो उसके आंसर्स होते हैं, that are known as multiple in very basic language. Okay, students, now we will be starting our new chapter, but hold on for that. You are requested to carry your textbook along with you on page number 38, factors and multiples. We will discuss the previous, then afterwards we will discuss our first exercise, and then we will move to the next topics. Okay, students, let's start it. So students, now we will be starting with our chapter number 6, that is factors and multiples. Are my students ready? Okay.
Factors and multiples. We have learnt about factors and multiples in the previous class. Let us revise them. 8 divided by 1 is equal to 8. 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2. 8 divided by 8 is equal to 1. Numbers 1, 2, 4 and 8 divide 8 exactly, leaving no remainder. They are called factors of 8. Numbers 8, 16, 24, 32.
So students, we have discussed this previously. Okay, see, 8 divided by 1 equals to 8. 8 divided by 2 equals to 4. 8 divided by 4 equals to 2. And 8 divided by 8 equals to 1. अब हम देखेंगे इनमें से फैक्टर्स कौन कौन से हैं, मल्टीपल्स कौन कौन से हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नंबर 1, 2, okay, see, number 1, 2, 4 and 8 are divided by 8 exactly, leaving no remainder. When I divide this number with 8, there will be no remainder. So, they are called factors of 8. जब भी मैं किसी नंबर को 8 से डिवाइड करती हूँ, मेरा रिमाइंडर 0 आए. That means that number is a factor of 8. Numbers 8, 16, 24, 32 are obtained by multiplying 8 by 1, 2, 3, 4. They are called multiples. That means 8 का table. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40. That means पूरा जो 8 का table होगा, that will be known as factors and multiples. This will be the multiples and these are the factors. Okay, students?
3, 4. They are called multiples of 8. Thus, a factor of a number is a number which completely divides the number without leaving a remainder. A multiple of a number is a number obtained by multiplying the given number with counting numbers 1, 2, 3.
So students, here is a proper define. This is a factor and this is a multiple which we discussed in just now. Thus, a factor of a number is a number which completely divides the number without leaving a remainder. When I divide any number, the remainder is 0. Then, that number will be the factor. A multiple of a number is a number obtained by multiplying by the given number with counting numbers. For example, I am multiplying 8 with 1, 2, 3, 4. So 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24. इस तरीके से जब मैं 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करती हूँ किसी एक ही नंबर को, that will be my multiplication, or I can say multiples. Okay, students?
3, 4, 5, and so on. Remember, a multiple is exactly divisible by the given number, leaving no remainder.
There is no remainder. Okay, students? In factors also as well as in multiples also, there will be no remainder. Okay?
Facts about multiples and factors.
So students, now we will be discussing the topic that is on page number 39. Okay? After your first exercise on page number 39, facts about multiples and factors. Okay, students? The first factor is factors and multiples are interlinked with each other. If 12 is a multiple of 3, then 3 is a factor of 12. दोनों एक दूसरे से इंटररिलेटेड है. अगर एक मल्टीपल होगा तो वही नंबर फैक्टर भी होगा. ओके स्टूडेंट्स?
And 15. 0 is a multiple of all numbers.
Every number is a multiple of 100 itself. कोई भी नंबर हमेशा 1 के टेबल में जाएगा और खुद के टेबल में भी जाएगा. Understood students? 0 is a multiple of all the numbers. 0 is multiple of all the numbers as well as 1 is also multiple for every number. Okay students? First rule क्या था? Factors and multiples are interrelated with each other. दोनों एक दूसरे से interrelated होंगे. If one will be the factor, then that same number will be the factors and multipliers. Okay students? Every number is a multiple of 100 itself. हर एक number 1 का multiple होगा. That means that number will goes in one's table and itself वो खुद के table में भी जाएगा. And that number will be multiple of 1. 0 is a multiple of all the numbers. 0 is multiple of all the numbers.
The smallest multiple of a number is the number itself. All the other multiples are greater than the number.
The smallest multiple of number is the number itself. Understood? अगर आपको multiple count करने को बोला जाए that you are supposed to find the multiple of this number. So, for example, let's take 15. I say you are supposed to find the multiple of 15. तो 15 ones are 15 होता है. That means 15 से नीचे कोई multiple नहीं होगा. 15 से ऊपर ही होंगे. तो the number that is the smallest number. और 15 के बाद जो भी सारे multiples होंगे, that will be greater. Okay, students?
Of any number are infinite. The smallest factor of a number is 1, and the greatest factor is the
Multiples of any number are infinite. हम multiples count ही नहीं कर सकते. They are many. Okay? The smallest factor of a number is 1. हर एक factor का the smallest factor of a number, कोई भी number का smallest factor will be 1, and the greatest factor is the number itself. जो खुद number will be the greatest and the smallest factor will be the 1. Okay students?
The factors of any number are finite. Every factor of a number is either small.
Students, focus. Multiples मैं count नहीं कर सकती. Infinite. But factors होते हैं वो finite होते हैं, वो limited होते हैं. Okay students? multiples infinite, factors finite. Every factor of a number is either smaller or equal to that. कोई भी नंबर का फैक्टर या तो स्मॉलर होगा या उससे इक्वल होगा. ओके स्टूडेंट्स.
More than or equal to that number. The only number which is a multiple as well as the factor is the number itself.
The only number which is a multiple as well as the factor is number itself. Okay students. A factor common of 2 or more is known as common factor. For example, if I say you are supposed to calculate the factors of 2 and 4, फिर जो दोनों में common factors होंगे that will be known as common factors.
Common to 2 or more numbers is called a common factor. Odd and even numbers. All numbers which are multiples of 2 are called even numbers.
So students, here we complete the topic that was fact of factors and multiples, and now your favorite and interesting topic, that is odd and even. But my lovely students know this topic. Odd और even नंबर्स वो होते हैं जो 2 के टेबल में जाते हैं, और फिर जो रिमेनिंग नंबर्स होते हैं that numbers are called odd. So students, let's keep it here today. But hold on, I have something for you. Let's see that. So students, let's discuss our exercise 1. First question is fill in the blanks. उसके अंदर A वाला 5 into 7 equals to 35. 5 sevens are 35. So 5 and 7 are dash of 35. 5 और 7 35 के क्या होंगे? Factors या multiples? Yes, factors. बस स्टूडेंट्स इतना ध्यान रखना, ये किसी के टेबल में जाता है तो मल्टीपल, नहीं तो फैक्टर. 11 8s are 88. So 88 is a multiple of 11 and 8. Okay students, let's move to question number 2. A. Write the first 4 multiples of 9. That means आपको 9 का टेबल लिखना है. Okay students. Here it is. The first 4 multiples of 9 are 9, 18, 27 and 36. Now, let's move to the second question. Write all the multiples of 11 less than 10. मुझे 11 के multiples लिखने हैं but less than 10. So, I can write the table of 11. Okay students? 11 less than 10. Remember, less than 10. मुझे 10 से कम वाले लिखने हैं. So 8 तो 1 होगा और 11 तो खुद के टेबल में ही जाता है. So my answer will be 1. Find the factors of 45. That means 45 किस टेबल में जाता है? 1, 3, 4 में जाता है? नहीं, we will get remainder. 5, 6, 7, 7 6 are 42, 7 7 are 49, 45 तो नहीं जाता. 8, 9, yes, 9 5s are 45. Okay students. Now question number 4. Check whether 12 is a factor of 108 or not. In this we have to find what is it. Okay students, that's all for today. Here we complete the discussion of our exercise 1. Okay students, stay